So the idea of having to do these Pain Academy workouts every day was intimidating. And so I was hesitant to sign up because of that. But Vinny, I love spending the 20 to 30 minutes a day with you. It is something now I crave. I wake up excited about getting to do these exercise. And I say that getting to do, it's not a burden. It's not an obligation. It's something that I really want to do. And I feel better afterwards. You're just such a calming, wonderful presence that it's almost meditative. So I thank you. I thank you for that. And anyone who's nervous about the daily commitment, it will be easy once you enjoy it, once you see how enjoyable it is, I should say.
As somebody who has severe scoliosis, which causes immense pain in every aspect of my life, to be able to make progress on actually healing my scoliosis and managing pain, but also learning so many lessons on getting into my body and releasing so much and sitting with discomfort, and also letting myself be supported by the structure of the program and of the founder, Vinny. I don't think I'd be able to do this on my own.